Members of the Hynniewtrep Border Dispute Redressal Forum, at a press conference held on Monday, the 13th of June 2022, had clarified on the issues concerning the residents of Block 1, which falls under the area of differences. Speaking to media spokesperson of the Hynniewtrep Border Dispute Redressal Forum, Thomas Pasar informed that the Khasi Jaintia people of Block 1 area had recently boycotted the elections to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council due to a number of reasons that have affected the welfare and well-being of the people in those areas. Through the notification of 5th November 1957, the give and take policy had already been implemented by the government of Assam, informed Pasar. The Hbdrf therefore urged upon the state government to not amend this particular notification, as the areas belonging to Meghalaya were already included in the notification of 5th of November 1957.
Decision to boycott the election, if it's announced too much in advance, there is a risk that our people in the Block 1 will be harassed in many ways. So this decision was taken in the very last hours before the voting, so that we ensure that there's no violence, there's no our people in the border area are not attacked, or there's no anti-social elements that will ensure that disturb the peace and harmony. Now, I think these people are all Khasitna people. They speak our language, they follow our customary practices, and they have been waiting for very, very long time, right from 1952. They have been waiting, demanding, expressing their desire to the various levels of the government, right up to this government of India, their desire to be with the state of Meghalaya. It is not a demand that just pop up yesterday or last month. It is a very, very long time. So I think it is now, when both the state have expressed their joint desire to settle down the long pending boundary dispute, we would like to express and take both the state government back to 1957, which is acceptable to both parties, so that justice is done to the people who are living in these areas.